Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get smooth transition in between songs in your Spotify. So if you don't want any pauses or unnecessary break in between the songs that you play on Spotify, you can just use this feature. So what you need to do is click on your name at the top left corner, your initial, and here go to the settings and privacy, tap on playback. So now you can just here allows you or enable the crossfade to around 6 seconds, but you can adjust it to how you like it, and enable this gapless feature so you can allow gapless playback. Also the auto mix, you can also allow seamless transition between song on select playlist, so enable this also. So there are two features that you need to enable, and also adjust the crossfade. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.